The MagnePull spider cable fishing tool is designed to assist in fishing cables through walls, particularly in situations where reaching the exit point is difficult or impossible. This tool utilizes a magnet to pull the cable through the wall, guided by a roller device that couples to the magnet through the drywall. The tool aims to save time and effort by eliminating the need to reach inside the wall or manually fish out the wire. Benefits of using the MagnePull spider cable fishing tool include its ease of use, effectiveness in pulling cables through walls, durability, and relatively low cost. The tool simplifies the process of cable installation, making it more efficient. Firstly, the MagnePull spider cable fishing tool is designed to be user-friendly. Its intuitive design allows for easy operation, even for those with limited experience in cable fishing. Secondly, the tool is highly effective at pulling cables through walls, saving time and effort compared to traditional methods. Thirdly, the MagnePull spider cable fishing tool is constructed with durable materials, ensuring its longevity and reliability. Fourthly, the tool is relatively inexpensive, making it an accessible option for a wide range of users. However, there are also some drawbacks to consider. It can be difficult to use in tight spaces, the magnet can be difficult to remove from the wall if it gets stuck, and the roller device can be difficult to use if the cable is not straight. Firstly, the MagnePull spider cable fishing tool may not be suitable for use in confined areas due to its size and maneuverability limitations. Secondly, the magnet can sometimes become stuck to metal objects within the wall, requiring extra effort to remove it. Thirdly, if the cable is not properly aligned, the roller device may not function effectively, leading to difficulties in guiding the magnet. When using the MagnePull spider cable fishing tool, several factors should be considered to ensure optimal performance. The strength of the magnet is a critical aspect of the tool. It needs to be powerful enough to pull the cable through the wall without losing its grip. The roller device plays a crucial role in guiding the magnet and ensuring smooth movement along the wall surface. The design of the tool should allow for easy maneuverability, even in challenging situations. The durability of the tool is essential for long-term use. It should be able to withstand the rigors of cable installation without breaking or malfunctioning. The cost of the tool is also a factor to consider, as it should be affordable for most users. The MagnePull spider cable fishing tool works by using a strong magnet that is attached to a cable. A magnet is then guided through the wall using a roller device. The roller device helps to keep the magnet on track and prevents it from getting stuck. The cable is then pulled through the wall along with the magnet. When using the MagnePull spider cable fishing tool, it is important to follow the instructions carefully. This will help to ensure that the tool is used safely and effectively. It is also important to be aware of the potential hazards of working with electricity. Always disconnect the power before working on any electrical wiring. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is best to hire a qualified electrician. The MagnePull spider cable fishing tool can be used to install a variety of different types of cables, including electrical wiring, data cables, and coaxial cables. It is a versatile tool that can be used in a variety of different applications. Whether you are installing new wiring in your home or office, or you are simply trying to run a cable through a wall, the MagnePull spider cable fishing tool can help you get the job done quickly and easily. It is a valuable addition to any toolbox. The tool can be used to install cables behind drywall, through insulation, and around obstacles. It is also effective in situations where there are multiple cables to be installed. The MagnePull spider cable fishing tool can save time and effort compared to traditional methods of cable installation. The tool is also relatively easy to learn how to use. With a little practice, you can become proficient in using the tool to install cables quickly and efficiently. The MagnePull spider cable fishing tool is a valuable tool for anyone who needs to install cables on a regular basis. It is a time-saving and efficient way to get the job done. The tool is also relatively inexpensive, making it an affordable option for most users. The MagnePull spider cable fishing tool is a great way to improve your cable installation skills. With a little practice, you can become a cable installation expert. The tool is also a great way to save money on cable installation costs. By using the MagnePull Spider cable fishing tool, you can avoid having to hire a professional cable installer. The MagnePull Spider cable fishing tool is a must-have tool for any homeowner or contractor who needs to install cables on a regular basis. It is a time-saving, efficient, and affordable way to get the job done right. Consider factors such as the type of cable being installed, the wall thickness, and any obstacles that may be present within the wall cavity. Proper planning and preparation can significantly improve the efficiency and effectiveness of using the MagnePull Spider cable fishing tool. Always wear appropriate safety gear when working with electrical wiring, including gloves and eye protection. Disconnect the power supply to the circuit before commencing any work. Follow all applicable electrical codes and regulations. By adhering to these safety precautions, you can minimize the risk of electrical shock or other injuries. The tool is designed to make cable installation easier and faster, but it is essential to prioritize safety at all times. The MagnePull Spider cable fishing tool is a valuable tool for both professional electricians and DIY enthusiasts. Its ease of use, effectiveness, and affordability make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who needs to install cables on a regular basis. Whether you are working on a residential or commercial project, the MagnePull Spider cable fishing tool can help you get the job done efficiently and safely. The tool is also a great way to improve your cable installation skills and save money on cable installation costs. With a little practice, you can become a cable installation expert and tackle any cable installation project with confidence. The MagnePull Spider cable fishing tool is a testament to the ingenuity of modern tools and their ability to simplify complex tasks. Its innovative design and practical functionality make it a valuable asset for anyone involved in cable installation. The tool is also a great example of how technology can be used to improve our lives and make our work easier. The MagnePull Spider cable fishing tool is a reminder that there are always new and better ways to do things. By embracing innovation in technology, we can improve our skills, save time and money, and make our work more enjoyable. The tool is a valuable addition to any toolbox and a great way to improve your cable installation skills. With a little practice, you can become a cable installation expert and tackle any cable installation project with confidence. The MagnePull Spider cable fishing tool is a testament to the ingenuity of modern tools and their ability to simplify complex tasks. Its innovative design and practical functionality make it a valuable asset for anyone involved in cable installation.